Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy here, and today I am back with a new makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look, and let's begin with the video. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with applying primer. For primer I'm using this one today. I feel like this is a really hydrating and glowing primer. So I've tied up my hair because I don't want them all over my face. So now moving on to foundation, I have decided to go for the e.l.f. one today. And my shade is 210 neutral. I'm just gonna put this on my hand. Just gonna put the angle closer so you guys can look closely. Just gonna apply the foundation with my damp beauty blender. I personally prefer using blender instead of a brush, because with the blender you don't get the lines you get with the brush. I'm not going too much on foundation today because I'm gonna keep the look a little subtle. For the concealer, I have this e.l.f. concealer as well. This is the shade Light Beige. Now I'm gonna blend this with the same beauty blender. For the contour, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this shade probably right here, because I'm gonna use a brush for contouring, and then I'm gonna blend the blender. powder to set this off. For that, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me all-time favorite one. Set my under eyes first. Brush, I'm gonna set my whole face. I have powder contours as well, so I'm gonna use them. This is the one I'm using. This one has a lot of shades. So I'm just gonna use this here. Smaller brush for contouring my nose. Again, going on with the nose powder to set the nose. You can see the difference in before and after. Moving on, for the blush, I'm gonna use this one, the Benefit one here. It has some beautiful shades. Basically, I'm just gonna mix all these up. For the highlighter, I'm gonna go with this. I love this highlighter. It's not gold, it's not silver, it's just in between some pink something, but I like this. Now I'm gonna go for the eyes. For my eyes, today I'm using this eyeshadow palette. I haven't used it before. I got this in my Ipsy glam bag. It does have some good shades here. So let's see what I'm gonna create with this. So I'm taking my perfect brush. So first I'm going to use this shade, then I'm gonna start using this one here, followed by this, and then it's pigmented. Just gonna zoom in, you guys. It's having a lot of fallout though. I'm gonna figure this out later. can see, this color is not that pigmented, so I'm gonna switch my palette to find something closer to this. I'm gonna go in with this. By the way, this is the Maybelline palette. Actually, I haven't used this one as well before, so let's give it a try. I'm using my fingers because it's easier to apply it with your fingers. For the eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. one. This is a really pigmented eyeliner. My eyeliner is done. I'm gonna apply mascara. For the mascara, I have decided to go with the Milani one. Put highlighter on my inner corner. My look is done. I'm just gonna repeat this on the other right. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna go with this one. And my look is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.